If you're encountering the Cloud Save error 2026 in Minecraft, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is necessary for cloud saving features to work properly. You can test your connection by browsing other websites or using other online services. Step 2. Restart Minecraft. Close the game completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches or issues that may be causing the Cloud Save error. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Make sure you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Check for updates in your game launcher or app store and install any available updates. New versions often include bug fixes that can resolve errors. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're using a console or mobile device, clearing the cache can help. Go to your device settings, find the Minecraft app and clear its cache. This can remove any corrupted data that might be causing the error. Step 5. Relog into your account. Log out of your Minecraft account and then log back in. This can refresh your account connection and may resolve any issues related to cloud saving. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Cloud Save error 2026 in Minecraft. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Minecraft support for further assistance.